Welcome to Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, and here's a walkthrough of one of our great RVs.
This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with 5 slides, solid surface countertops and bathroom, dual lights over headboard, 4-door refrigerator, master bathroom has a sink, toilet, and shower with a door, high-rise faucet, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, sink covers, large closet with drawers, bedroom television, overhead storage, overhead kitchen storage, large counter area, trifold sofa, bathroom shower, washer and dryer prepped, king-size bed, bathroom shower with a seat, king bed slide, theater seat for 2 with cup holders, kitchen pantry, freestanding table with chairs, corner angle shower, kitchen island with double sink.
Here at Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, we have been a family-owned dealership for 45 years, with 3 locations, new inventory arriving daily, and brands you trust. You can buy from Youngblood's RV and Outdoor knowing that you made the right choice. We stock our campers the way we would want to camp, with features and upgrades to provide your family with the best travel experiences and unforgettable memories. So if you're looking for your next RV, come to Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, where we make the outdoors fun.